back to my channel. Okay, hi. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencers here on YouTube. I just share my love for makeup, for products, everything. I am really passionate about fashion, everything. So in today's video I am going to give you something like a Punjabi movies. So if you don't know, I am Sikh, so I'm Punjabi, of course. And I started watching the movies around like a year ago or something. I don't watch many, but whenever there is something on Prime, I just put it on and at the background, and I just like find them entertaining, like good time pass kind of thing. Anyway, I came across this movie recently called Ardab Mutiyaran. I believe its mean is in English is like tough girls or something. So the girl who's playing the lead in the movie, her name is Sonam Bajwa. I'll post her picture somewhere here so you can see the look. I got really inspired by her look. I just actually really liked her look. It looked like a very minimum makeup, or like it looked like her own natural skin. That's how good it looked, and I was like so impressed by it. I was just like, it does look like she's still wearing a lot of makeup, because in certain scenes when you can tell there's no soft lens or anything, you can still see there's a lot of makeup, but the way it's been done, it looks like this like so naturally done. It's like there's no makeup at all, so kind of like a no makeup look. However, the one thing which really caught my eye was her eyes. The way her eyes were done was so like mean kind of look, like so tough kind of look. So I just instantly thought I'm gonna recreate the whole look. I got myself the quite similar outfit made so you can see. I will post some long pictures anyway. I'll try to put some full shots in the video as well. So yeah, so I just thought I'm gonna recreate the whole look because it is so easy, but it's so wearable as well. You can even wear it on like daily basis. If you are into this kind of look, you might enjoy it so much wearing it every day. So I'm going to show you how to create Sonam Bajwa Ardab Mutiyaran look at home. And I didn't put the hair in this video, but the way I do my hair like this, or like a heatless curls, I have a previous video on my channel, so which I'll try to link it in the description box below, or even if you can just go and search the videos in my channel, you will find how I do my heatless curls at home without using any heat, any other products whatsoever, so all natural. So let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. Before you leave though, if you like this video, and before you leave, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's just not waste any more time. See you guys soon. Love you. Take care. Bye.
Hey my lovelies, so we are going to begin with the skincare, and for skincare I'm going to use my Glow Recipe Watermelon Facial Mist, and for the primer I'm using Touch and Soul Base Capsule Primer. This is one of my really like favorite primers right now because it kind of gives you a really illuminating skin before you go with your foundation. I don't know how much it fills the pores and everything. I always like to go with my Tatcha silk canvas to fill the pores anyway, because I feel like that's actually the best one I ever used to fill the pores. It really makes your pores blur out. So I'm just gonna blend the primer properly on my skin. You should massage your primer until the point when it starts feeling a little tacky. That's when you know it's ready for the foundation. And now I'm just covering my pores with my Tatcha silk canvas primer. I know it's a bit on a pricey end side, but it really works. You only need a small amount, and it literally blurs out all your pores. For the foundation, I'm going with Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion foundation. You all know by now this is one of my favorite foundations. It's so good, and it's very good for dry skin because it has a luminous texture, which makes your skin look super dewy and glowing and really nice. And I'm gonna take the foundation on my neck too, because the shirt I'm wearing for this one has like an open neck. You can, well, there are buttons, you can even close it or leave it open, but I decided to leave it open. That's why I'm matching my neck with my face too. And I'm blending everything with my Stands Out beauty sponge. Absolutely love this sponge, absolutely love, huge love. And to cover my dark circles, I'm using my RCMA foundation palette, and I'm picking up the shade which is much more closer to my skin tone. In this palette, these are all foundation shades. It's nothing concealer and everything, but you can definitely use this to color correct your dark circles too. And I'm applying this with the concealer brush and going to blend this with my Stands Out beauty sponge. And I'm gonna make sure when I do this, I just go more towards my inner corner of my eye as well, to cancel out any darkness I have going on there. Because looking at Sonam Bajwa's picture, it looks like she has a very natural, like a fluffy brows. There's not much effort being done to the brows, so I'm just using my brow styler from Benefit to just literally fill out all the sparse areas and just to like match them. Both my brows looks like same, which is not possible, but yeah. So I'm just gonna fill that up and just gonna style it more like a natural kind of brow. And also to set the brows for this video, I actually used the soap brows technique instead of using a gel or something, because I just wanted the whole brow to look very natural and very like full fluffy kind of thing. So yep, I'm just gonna make sure I have all my sparse filled out before I go with anything else. Also, while I'm on this point, filling out my brows, I just want to let you know one quick tip. If you want your brows to look super natural and not to have too much product showing, just go with your translucent powder on top of your actual brow powder. It makes them look a little bit more diffused and it looks very natural. For the concealer, I'm using Benefit Bowing Cakeless Concealer, and this is in shade number 6. It's a little dark for my skin tone or my liking. I prefer to have a lighter one, but this one works really well when your foundation is much more darker than your own skin tone, because it is still bright. And I'm just going to brighten up all the areas which I usually do, and I'm going to blend this with using my Stands Out beauty sponge again. You all know by now, with my concealers, my contour, my bronzers, I like to leave the product on for a couple of minutes before I start blending. It helps the product to go a little tacky, so it doesn't go all over your face. It stays on the areas where you actually applied the product, which is the whole point of doing the brightening and concealing and contouring. So it's like certain part of your face is that has that effect, not all over. So I'm just blending this out with my Stands Out sponge, and I am going to also cover the sides of my nose, and also going to do my nostrils. There are certain part of my face where I don't apply the concealer, but when I'm blending it, I know I'm just going to take the product there as well, because I just don't like putting too much product on my face, because that makes your face look cake face. Now there's the biggest thing, like our biggest disaster happened. I kind of lost the footage for the blush, but I used Natasha Denona Citrus Blush Palette. Not citrus, it's a Darya blush palette. It's the pink one, and I use that on my cheeks. For my eyes, first of all, I'm setting that with my translucent powder. I already applied the base, pretty much the same concealer what I used on my face. The eye look is super easy. It's just need a little practice, but it's super easy. You just take any black eye pencil. I'm using Huda Beauty double-ended eyeliner. One side is the pencil, other side is the liquid liner. I'm actually using the pencil side, and I'm just going to tight line my upper lash line, and also like create a a wing, kind of like an eyeliner, like I'm applying my eyeliner. And the same thing I'm gonna do with my bottom lash line, like I'm doing my smoking out my lower lash line, and also going to apply the same pencil in my waterline. So basically tight lining my both upper and bottom lash lines and creating like a eyeliner look for both upper lash line and lower. The whole thing is you just need to apply the pencil, and then you just take any smudger brush, or any pencil brush. It doesn't have to be a smudger brush, you can even use pencil brush, and you're just basically going to smudge the whole product out. Basically all the line you just created, you're just going to smudge it and really smoke it out. This is the only thing you need to do for this eye look, because if you look at her eyes, it's just a kajal is the only thing which applied there, and which makes her eyes look super intense, super sexy, kind of like super sultry kind of look. And for the mascara, because looking at her picture again, you can tell she's not wearing false lashes, it looks like it's her own lashes. So I'm actually doing two mascaras mixed together. So I'm using Essence both waterproof mascara and extreme volume mascara, and I'm just going to coat both my upper and lower lashes with the both mascaras to give that full-on falsy lash eye look kind of thing. For my waterline, I'm using Maybelline waterproof gel liner. This is in shade Blackest Black. If you want your waterline or your liner to stay in your waterline for all day long, use this technique. It's super duper good, because the gel liner is, first of all, is waterproof, second, it's so intense it doesn't go anywhere and it doesn't even budge, so which is a plus for everything. For my lipstick, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in shade Between the Sheets. If you look at her picture, it literally looks like she's wearing a lip balm or a lip tint, but I am actually going with the lipstick first, and on top of the lipstick I'm going to apply my Hard Candy plumping lip gloss, which is in if you look at the gloss, it's gonna look like it's a purple color, but it's actually a very like it has a little hint of purple, but it's pretty much clear gloss kind of thing. So I'm just going to top my lipstick with this, and it's also going to give me kind of like a juicy wet lip kind of look. And to set everything in place, I'm using Coverfx Illuminating setting spray. This setting spray is super good if you want your skin to look dewy and luminous and all that. If you are oily skin, avoid this. And there we go, we are finished with this look. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. All the products will also be mentioned in the description box below, and I shall see you guys next time. Take care, love you all, and be safe, be happy. And if you want to see more looks like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up.